All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to log in to the textbook so you can work on your level up tutorial. So as you can see on my screen, I got two things going on. I got the login for the Holt McDougall online textbook. And on the right hand side, I have the step-by-step directions. So depending on how you're coming to me from this, either via Schoology or from this paper, it's going to kind of show you everything. So here's what we got. So if you look on the right-hand page, okay, this is steps to get into the online activity for the Level Up tutorials. You can use this QR code with your phone or a tablet or a camera on your computer. And if you have one of the Chromebooks from school, we already had it set up so you could do that. You just scan this and it'll bring you to the Holt McDougall online webpage. Or you just type in this https:// my.hrw.com. It's not too hard either way. So what'll happen then is you'll see a screen that looks just like this. Okay, same thing you see on the left-hand side, same thing you see here. You are already registered. We took the time to create your accounts. We're using the exact same account that you would have used in school. So what does that mean? Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to enter your username. Mine is christopher.lenhart@seaford.k12.de.us. If you have a hyphenated name, okay, you are going to have your first name dot, your middle name, or the two last names with a hyphen in between, no spaces, no capitals, just like you would at school. Your password, okay? So if you look over here to the right, your password is the same as you used in school, okay? It is your first name, capital letter, so mine would be C. Your last name, lowercase letter, mine would be L. And then your lunch number or your school ID. So I made mine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be whatever you have, okay? Then you're going to hit log in. Now, this is going to bring you to this page, just like I have this picture here. Okay, to bring you to your main page. You are going to click on the Student Resources tab on the right. So you see this one right here that says Student Resources. Student Resources, click on Student Resources. Click. It's going to bring you to this screen. Okay? On this screen, you're going to come down here where it says Level Up Tutorials, and you're going to click there. Click on the Level Up Tutorials. Okay? It changes this right-hand side. Now you're going to see where it says Explore the Tutorials. Okay? Explore the Tutorials. You're going to click on that. Okay? Now, so you see prose form, short stories and novels, biographies and autobiographies, myths, legends, and tales. That's the one you want to click on. Myths, legends, and tales. Okay, then it says tutorials and practice. You got a big old start button. You're going to click start. Now, I know you already have your volume up right now, or you wouldn't be able to hear me, but I'm just telling you.
In this tutorial, you will learn
So you're going to want to listen, and you're going to go through step by step
in myths.
And then you're going to do the practice questions, and then we'll get those on our side, and we'll check them out. Okay? Good job. See you guys.